Happy Monday, Bitcoin watchers. Hope everybody's having a great day so far. Um, we're kind of watching paint dry out here right now. There's nothing major is happening with Bitcoin. We are still easily within this box that I have drawn here for a while now. Um, yeah, I mean, last week, just a doji bar is what I would call that. And this week we've started off, we're heading up so far, so we'll see. Again, we couldn't break under 17.4, so we really couldn't break under 17. We barely got under 18. That 18,000 level is pretty good support right now. Um, it's been holding, and Bitcoin just hasn't. I mean, the last month we are clearly sideways, moving sideways. So we'll have to see. Um, Upcoming events, we're kind of waiting for November 2nd now. I believe it's the biggest thing that can move the market when the Fed come out with the next interest rate report, and then of course the midterm election. So I kind of think the market could easily stay like this until that time, till November 2nd, before we see some real movement. Then if we look at S&P, as we like to do, from that, drawing a half of this, I mean, we bounce here, stem bounce, as I showed a couple videos back or last week, and hey, we're just bouncing up. So I don't know. Are we about to make another leg up, a little relief rally? Not sure. Again, we just have to watch. That's why we're watching. We'll find out. I easily think that this probably could continue up until again November 2nd. Then if the Fed, comes with another 75 basis points or higher, shocks the market, comes higher or something, then we can get another push down into this area. But right now, this is floating up. Bitcoin is kind of moving sideways, not doing much or anything. So it's kind of moving up too. So it could definitely be an up week. We'll see. What else is going on in crypto? Things to watch out for. Nothing major. There's a new coin. There's a new blockchain you guys can look at and watch from some boys from Facebook right here, Aptos. They just launched last week. Um, Mixed reviews. The blockchain is supposed to be a Solano killer. It's supposed to be pretty fast and their transaction processing, but out the gate, it was just a little bit faster than Bitcoin, which is not good. But the developers and creators said that as more applications come onto the blockchain, it'll speed up. So we'll have to see. I guess they're trying to make it just like Ethereum with the unlimited max supply, total supply right now, circulating supply. So people was complaining a little bit about the tokenomics when this first came out because they didn't share that information till like the last minute. So we'll see. I don't know, but it's a new blockchain. Just something to keep your eye on. Take a look and see how it does. Do some research on it. If it can pull off what it's claiming, it could be a contender. So it's definitely something to look at. Anytime Facebook people drop something, raise the eyebrow. I want to say the FTX is also an early investor in this one. Don't quote me on that, but that's coming back to my memory. So Aptus, APT, just a coin to consider, something to take a look at. But again, for the week, we're just watching. It's when Bitcoin is moving very slowly. Not much action this week. Not much to say. But just so you know what we're looking at, we're looking at hopefully moving into seed time where we start to really ramp up our dollar cost averaging, grabbing good projects, all before we start to move back up before the halving here and take off to new highs. Um, if you don't understand all that, look in the description, grab my link to my free Bitcoin market cycle report. You'll understand exactly what these boxes mean, why I have them highlighted, and what we're actually watching every week. So get that free report. It's free, and you'll have a better understanding of how the Bitcoin market cycle works and how you can take advantage of it. So, Bitcoin watchers, that'll wrap it up for today. I think it's slow. It's slow grinding right now. But until next week, As always, I wish you all increase on the sudden.